Hi guys, it's Rebecca here from Dentistry at number 3. I wanted to come on today to ask you two questions. 1, do you suffer from snoring? And 2, do you suffer from being kept awake by your partner snoring? Well, if you answer yes to either of these questions, then I want to tell you about different treatments that we can offer at the practice to help with this. At Dentistry at number 3, we offer snoring appliances. What a snoring appliance does is it moves your lower jaw forwards ever so slightly and postures your jaw open a little, and this has a success rate of 80% in reducing snoring. There are several different types of appliances that we offer. However, some of the key benefits, apart from less complaining from your partner, are that they are custom made, meaning that they are comfortable in your mouth. They are also soft and smooth and can also reduce the symptoms of TM joint disorder. If you would like any more information on these snoring appliances, please don't hesitate to contact us at the practice and we'll be able to give you a wee bit more information. Thanks guys.